Ki Ner Mitzva v'Torah, Ner Mitzva v'Torah, MDY is a family. Ki Ner Mitzva v'Torah, Ner Mitzva v'Torah, a global cause of Torah unity.
Good morning, Rabbi Sai.
Shashuai, Avaditi Lulay, Sorascha, Shashuai, Avaditi. Around the globe, so many homes, so many people, all types of Jews from many schools and shuls and shteibels, coming together to learn Torah every morning. Daffing each day and drawing closer to Hashem. Ner Mitzva v'Torah, Ner Mitzva v'Torah, MDY is a family. Ner Mitzva v'Torah, Ner Mitzva v'Torah, a global cause of Torah unity. Ner Mitzva v'Torah, Ner Mitzva v'Torah, 7 years and never miss a day. Ner Mitzva v'Torah, Ner Mitzva v'Torah, it's geschmack to do the daf is what we say. Whether on Zoom or at the pool or on safari, on a plane, at a game, in your Ferrari, with the challenge of the journey all around us, we choose to be a better version of ourselves. Lulay, Sorascha, Shashuai, Avaditi, Lulay, Sorascha, Shashuai, Avaditi. Ner Mitzva v'Torah, Ner Mitzva v'Torah, MDY is a family. Ner Mitzva v'Torah, Ner Mitzva v'Torah, a global cause of Torah unity. Ner Mitzva v'Torah, Ner Mitzva v'Torah, 7 years and never miss a day. Ner Mitzva v'Torah, Ner Mitzva v'Torah, it's geschmack to do the daf is what we say. So take a minute, come on in and join the action. It's guaranteed you'll be shocked by your reaction as you join the MDY Daf Global Neighborhood. The Torah's power will be changing you for good. Ner Mitzva v'Torah, Ner Mitzva v'Torah, MDY is a family. Ner Mitzva v'Torah, Ner Mitzva v'Torah, a global cause of Torah unity.
Good morning, Rabbi Sai.
Ner Mitzva v'Torah, Ner Mitzva v'Torah, MDY is a family. Ner Mitzva v'Torah, Ner Mitzva v'Torah, a global cause of Torah unity. Ner Mitzva v'Torah, Ner Mitzva v'Torah, Daffing, steiging, growing every day. Ner Mitzva v'Torah, Ner Mitzva v'Torah, it's geschmack to do the daf is what we say.